guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be using this cruelty-free palette. I pulled my inspiration for this tutorial from this beautiful Macaw. I'll have everything used in the description box below. Let's get started. I'm starting out by forming a base with this NYX concealer. Lightly patting it on each eyelid, this should form a base in order to keep our eyeshadow from sliding. Next, I'm using Sunset, which is a reddish brown. I'll be applying this to the base of each lid. This will aid me in creating a redder tone later on. Grabbing our smoke palette, I'll pick up the color Fetish and pat that directly on top of the previous color in order to create the red tone I'm looking for. Taking the color Greed, I'll pack this into both creases as my transition color. Next, using Cougar, I'll dust this right above Greed to help in smoothly fading out the orange and keeping the warmth look of the eyes. Now I'm just going to buff out any harsh lines. Taking Vanity, I'm applying this to the inner areas of the eyes to give me that more awake look. I've decided to go back and pick up more of the color Fetish to brighten up the center eye. Using Me Now Eye and Lip Liner in the number 013, I'll line my waterline. Next, Me Now in number 008, I'll line right underneath the previous liner. Taking a flat angle brush and picking up the color Merge, I'll place that right on top of the liner 008. Now taking a smaller buffer brush, I'm going to smoke it out just a tad. Now taking the color Unspoken and dusting that across my brow bones. Using Revolon's Color Stay liquid liner in black, I'm going to line my upper lids. Go ahead and add your favorite lashes, and if you want, add a little bit of mascara on your bottom ones. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Caught up in my